everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this lovely floral stitch to make blankets, shawls, and other fun projects. I used this stitch to create my Enchanted flower stole pattern shown here. For more information, please check out the drop-down description box below or visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thanks for watching! Now let's get started. For materials, I'm using this chunky acrylic wool blend yarn, but you can use any yarn you like. I am also using a J 5.75mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Next, chain as many as you like, or multiples of 6 plus 3. At the end of row 1, we can back out or cut off our extra chains if you don't use the multiple. After completing your chain, make a flower in the 6th chain from hook. The loop on your hook does not count as a chain. To make a flower, we're going to double crochet 3 together, chain 3, double crochet 3 together, all into the same chain. This skipped chain 5 at the beginning counts as 2 foundation chain and 1 double crochet. Skip 2 chains and double crochet into your next chain. Now we will begin a row repeat. Skip 2 chains and make a flower. Double crochet 3 together, chain 3, double crochet 3 together, all into the same chain. Skip 2 chains and double crochet. Repeat this all the way down your chain. Here is my work at the end of row 1. If you didn't use the multiples when you were chaining and just chained as many as you liked, you'll probably have an extra tail at the end of your work. To manage this, you can either unknot and back out the chain, or you can just cut them off. I like to cut into the 3rd chain from my last stitch. Then just pull the tail and knot it down. Turn to begin row 2. Chain 5. This chain 5 will count as our first double crochet and chain 2. Single crochet into your previous chain 3. Chain 2, double crochet into your previous double crochet. Now we will begin a row repeat. Chain 2, single crochet into your previous chain 3, chain 2, double crochet into your previous double crochet. Repeat this all the way down your work. When we get to the very end, I will meet back up. When you get to the end of row 2, place a double crochet into the top of your chain. Turn to begin row 3. Row 3, chain 5. The chain 5 will count as our first double crochet, and chain 2. Make half a flower into our first stitch. 3 double crochet together. Then double crochet into the previous single crochet. Now we will begin a row repeat. Make a flower into the top of our previous double crochet. Double crochet 3 together. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 together. Then double crochet into the top of our previous single crochet. Repeat this all the way down your work. When we get to the end of the row, I will meet back up. Once we get to the end of row 3, we're going to mirror what we did when we started this row. You're going to place half a flower into the third chain of the beginning chain. 3 double crochet together. Chain 2, and then double crochet into the same stitch. Turn to begin row 4. Row 4. Chain 1, single crochet into your first stitch. Now we will begin a row repeat. Chain 2, double crochet into your previous double crochet. Chain 2, single crochet into your previous chain 3. We're just going to repeat this all the way down our work. I will meet back up when we get to the end of this row. Once you come to the very end of your work, you're going to single crochet into the top of your chain 3 and turn to begin row 5. Row 5, chain 3. Now we will begin the row repeat. Make a flower into your first double crochet. Double crochet 3 together. Chain 3. Double crochet 3 together into the same stitch. Double crochet into your next single crochet. We're now going to repeat this all the way down our work. At the end of row 5, you're just going to double crochet into your last stitch, which was a previous single crochet. From here, you're just going to repeat row 2 through 5 until your work is of desired size. Well, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy working on this lovely stitch. Be sure to check out the drop-down description box below for more information, or you can visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial.